Okay, so here we have standard puzzle ring. This is in theory based off of a Turkish wedding band design. The idea was if you took it off your finger and you put it down, it would fall apart. So although these look very different, they're actually the same exact principle, the same exact kind of pieces. This is a more standard kind of traditional boring shape, as I like to think of it. And these bands are really narrow, and this one's kind of funky to do, and these grooves aren't as heavy. So instead we're going to use this guy to show you, okay? So there are 4 bands. There's 2 that are kind of B-shaped. All right, one has more notches than the other. And then we've got these 2, which are the sort of diagonal bands. You see how they run diagonally from the back, okay? One has notches in the top and the other one is smooth. So the way you do these is you take the 2 that have the B's and you put them back to back so they're smooth, and the other pieces are hanging on the bottom there, okay? While you hold these still, you're going to grab the band that has the notch in the middle of it, and you're going to twist it so that it's grabbing the bottom 2 bands of the B's. And then you're going to take the other piece, one with the smooth top, and you're going to put it across the top. Now they should be smooth right here and snug together and fit well. On one side there's a cross, on the other side there's not. If that doesn't work, you need to take this band and flip it all the way around and switch it, okay? I happen to grab it the right way this time. So now what you do is you take the B band that has more notches and you slide it so it's on the bottom. You can see that there. All right? What you're going to do is you're going to rotate it in and rotate this other one in. And then you're going to push them flat. And that's how it goes together. Okay? Standard band. I'm going to do it with the other one really quick too. Back to back. Again, these aren't as contrasty, so I don't like using it as the example first off. There's the one with a notch there on the bottom. And see, I didn't get this one lined up right. There we go. Sometimes you have to wiggle a little bit. So there's one crossed over there, one that isn't there. This one has more notches on it. I'm going to put it in there. Rotate it in first. Rotate the other one in so the V is inside now. And flatten it down. And that's how you do these. And strangely enough, there are 6, 8, 10 band ones that I've seen that are similar to this pattern. The V's instead with those are repeated a couple times. You just basically have to zigzag back and forth on that. So it's the same exact method for them to go together.